Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see all your troubles are all the same. You wanna be where everybody knows your name. All those men when you got no light.
Good morning and welcome back to my videos, to the second part of today's unboxing, which is going to be of a slightly dearer model, but also Dragonwings. I'm just trying to sort out the camera now. There we go. And this aircraft doesn't belong to an airline yet. It is going to be the Airbus A320 in the Sharlets special livery. Again, it's Dragonwings 1/400 scale and had a price of £12.99. Going cheaper than my normal models. So, of course, usual Dragonwings information on the outside and special Airbus livery and Airbus on the back. So, we better open this one as well. Always open my models from the top of the box and see what pops out. So again, being a Dragonwings model, you get your little pack and your Dragonwings guide to the landing gear. I always like Dragonwings, it's called it the Neo here, which means, if you don't know what the Neo is, it's the new engine option aircraft from Boeing. So let's have a look. I always like Dragonwings models because they always have the stands with them. I think that's a very good idea. Gemini Jets, if you are listening. And I think the quality of Dragonwings models are really good, considering their cheaper prices. So we have the Airbus A320, and you can see straight away it's Sharlets. Actually, I'm going to point from this direction, and I'll take you through everyone through the model. So right at the front, this is our first Airbus A320. Hopefully I will gain a few more, because along with the 757, it's probably one of my favourite aircraft. So right at the front, you've got the Airbus logo. The doors, and below the doors, you've got the shark's teeth, which is an advertisement joke with the Sharlets. Then you've got the Airbus A320 and Sharlets hunting down fuel burn at the top. Then along the aircraft, don't think there's any change to the Airbus engines as such, but you've got the Sharlet there and the A320 logo at the back. When I did go into Allan yesterday, I did only see one A320 with the Sharlets. However, if I'd seen another one, I would have another one along with it, and I'd be changing the livery with my first custom model to a jet blue A320, which is something I am considering still doing to this model here. Though I want a bit of a vote on that, see what other people's views are. as it's my only Sharlets one, I will probably keep it the way it is. However, if I add more than one, I would change it. So, the A320 is a bit wider than the 737. I do prefer the A320 against the 737 with the less seating, better range and payload options. So. And I probably wouldn't mind doing transatlantic or very long flights on an A320. I have been down to Lanzarote on one, flew the A320 many a time. Lanzarote from here is about 4 to 4.5 hours. So it's a long enough flight on an narrow body. Although when I fly out to America later this year, I am on a 757 from Shannon to JFK, which is narrow body. On the way back I'm on a 330, back to Dublin, and then Dublin on an A320. I've got an ATR 72 flight as well this year. So on the other side of the model, pretty much the same, except of course it's got your cargo hold. So far I really do like the aircraft. However, I have noticed one thing I am not as keen on. You look at the back, you can see how the model has been put together, and actually I don't like that, but here we go. By again, Dragonwings undercarriage are on the A320. They look actually pretty good, but I don't think they do on the 777, as you can see behind. And that's what the Dragonwing stands look like. Anyway, this video is going to be slightly shorter than the other, so I'm going to say thanks for watching now. Next time I am in Ian Allan, especially if it's got Dragonwing models in, you'll probably have another video. Hopefully I should not be uploading videos until June at the earliest, though I would love to. Just got to keep my expenditure down for Portugal and New York this year. Although I would want to make an announcement. Although I cannot remember the name of the online shop, there is a model shop that is now selling 1/500, 1/400, 1/200, another scale, and 1/144 models. They are in fact 3D printed, and they're reasonably cheap, really good quality, and I am considering buying some of those in the near future. I am going to announce now that these are going to be 737-300s. I'd like to purchase 2 if I can. The airline you can probably guess, but I'm not announcing it yet. Of course, my model airport is based in America, in Greenwich, Connecticut. Although it's supposed to have a loosely related idea to East Midlands Airport. I don't think much actually now looks like it, apart from where the terminal is. The buildings at the side, there's a few recognisable ideas. I'm considering worth extending my model boards as well, to either have another part of the apron for like cargo, or something, or a runway section. But this is to decide. I'm also presenting this video in a slightly different position. Presenting it from the door of the what is my upstairs bedroom. Don't ask. And probably my modelling room. And the reason I tend not to sleep up here is because it's turned into more of a workshop than a bedroom. Because if you see the side of where I work on some of my models, you wouldn't actually get past anything. Anyway, I said this video would be slightly shorter. It's actually 20 seconds or 22 seconds or whatever longer than my last video, so I better end it now. I hope you have enjoyed my models today. For Wings900 forum members, I am going to be putting up a third video comparing the Dragonwings 777-300 ER to the Gemini Jets 777-300 ER, comparing the moulds, and although I have already said which one I prefer, just a few reasons why, and so that you can see for yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Also, if you want to have a quick look on my model airport page, please do so. Thank you and goodbye.